In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Microsoft Word. If you've been seeing Copilot pop up while you work and prefer a distraction-free writing experience, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off. We'll keep things straightforward, and I'll share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, make sure Word is open and that you've saved any documents you're working on, just in case. Then head to the File tab in the top left corner of Word. This opens the Backstage view where you manage settings and app options. On the left-hand side, look all the way down to the bottom and choose Options. This is where Word keeps all of its configuration settings, including those for Copilot. When the Word Options dialog appears, you'll see a list of categories down the left side. Find and select the Copilot tab. This section is dedicated to Copilot's behavior and availability in Word. Opening it ensures we're adjusting only the features related to Copilot and not other editor or privacy settings that might affect your documents. Inside the Copilot tab, look for the checkbox labeled Enable Copilot. If it's checked, Copilot is currently active. To disable it, simply uncheck that button. This doesn't remove Word or affect your files, it just turns off the Copilot experience in Word so you won't see Copilot suggestions, prompts, or its button in the ribbon. Think of it as flipping a switch to put Copilot on standby. Next, click OK at the bottom of the dialog to save your changes. This confirms your preference and closes the Options window. To make sure the change is fully applied, close Word completely and then restart it. A quick restart ensures Word reloads with the new setting so Copilot stays off. If you had documents open, save them first, then close the app and open it again from your usual shortcut. After Word restarts, you should notice that Copilot is no longer present. If you ever change your mind and want Copilot back, you can return to the same place. File, Options, the Copilot tab. Then check Enable Copilot again and click OK, followed by a quick restart. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled Copilot in Microsoft Word. If this was helpful, consider applying the same approach whenever you want a cleaner, more focused workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.